Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. It's holiday season. Happy holidays to all of you. I worked a decade at IRS, and I'm one of the national experts in IRS tax resolution. I have a large Facebook group. I've been on the national news many times. Check out my website at 777irs.com, and then you could learn all about me. I was a revenue officer there. Yes, for a long, long time. Anyway, I want to tell you why it's dangerous to give IRS a financial statement. Now, I'm making this video for those of you who owe IRS debt. Remember, I was a revenue officer. I was a collector of taxes. Now, for those of you who don't have a lot of assets or money or income coming in, there's nothing wrong with you giving IRS that financial statement. A matter of fact, it shows specifically you don't have any money, because IRS is going to go ahead and verify your financial statement. They're going to go ahead and verify your wages or how much money you have in the bank, and they're going to verify your assets and maybe your deposits for the last 6 months. So there's nothing wrong with giving IRS that financial statement. Matter of fact, it'll lead to IRS putting you into a currently non-collectible status, which is healthy sometimes. A lot of people say, "Oh boy, I'm in uncollectible status." That's great. Yeah, the problem is the penalties and interest though continue to run, and it's really not good. So you have to have an exit strategy. How are you going to finally take care of the IRS debt? But the problem at the end of the day is that if you owe money or you want to do an offer and you give IRS that financial statement, you give them an inroad right into your financial statement. Boom, boom. Here's my deposits. Here's where I spend my money. Here's how much I pay on my charges. So it can work for those of you who have assets and income. It goes right against you, because see, what many people don't understand is this. Being a former IRS agent, what you need to know is that IRS has a national standards program that's very tight. What is a national standard? It means how much that you can actually spend a month on things. That's it. So if you want to go find out yourself, go Google IRS National Standards page. It'll say how much you can spend for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, car expenses. You're going to find out you can spend about this much, and you usually spend about this much. That's going to be a problem. So that leads most people into large payment agreements and giving IRS an inroad into how much equity you have in your assets. So, and that black cat is perfect to tell you that if you give IRS, I didn't plan this, if you give IRS that financial statement, I can't believe it. It's not a mechanical cat. I don't have a button. I swear it could lead to bad things. If you have IRS debt, a large amount, give me a call. We handle this. I've been doing this, God, for 51 years, and yes, I'm a national expert. Be careful of giving IRS that financial statement. Thank you so much for listening.